In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge cells in Google Sheets on desktop. Start by opening your Google Sheet in a desktop browser. These steps are designed for the web version, so make sure the sheet you want to edit is open and visible on your screen. Next, select the cells you want to merge. Click and drag to highlight the exact range. Before you merge, keep in mind an important behavior in Google Sheets. Only the content in the upper left cell of your selection is preserved during a merge. Any values in the other selected cells are discarded. Because of that, it's best to make sure the additional cells in your selection are empty or contain information you don't need to keep. Now, move to the menu bar at the top and click Format. This is where Google Sheets groups all of its formatting tools. When the menu opens, hover your cursor over Merge Cells. You'll see a small submenu appear with the available merge types. Choose the Merge option that fits your layout. Merge All combines the entire selection into one single cell. This is useful when you want a large, unified heading that spans multiple rows and columns. Merge Horizontally merges cells across columns within each selected row, creating a wider cell for each row in the selection. It's helpful for column headers that stretch side to side. Merge Vertically merges cells down a column within each selected column, creating a taller cell for each column in the selection. That's often used for labels that need to span multiple rows. Once you've made your choice, the selected cells will instantly combine into one cell, and your content will be centered by default. This centering is just a visual style applied automatically, which helps your merged header or label stand out. You'll also notice there's now a single border around the combined area, and the cell reference for formulas and navigation corresponds to the upper left cell of the original selection. A quick note on layout planning. Merged cells can affect certain spreadsheet operations like sorting, filtering, and some types of data analysis because they change the grid structure. If your sheet relies heavily on those features, consider where you merge so it complements your workflow. And that's all you need to do. By opening your sheet, selecting the range, using the Format menu, hovering over Merge Cells, and choosing the right merge type, you can create clean professional headers and labels that make your data easier to read.